So after successful download your Shenyun app, access from the web right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for your download folder on your Android device. For that, I'm going to go ahead and look for files right here. Come to search app, files. So here we go, files right here. Click on files. And the next thing you want to do is to proceed to your download folders. Then you definitely see your Shenyun app right here, successfully download. The next thing you want to do is to run the setup and install the app on our Android phone. So for that, go ahead and click on the app, installing the app. Do you want to install this app? Go ahead and click on install. So if you have something like this, unsafe app block, this app was built for older version of Android and does not include the latest privacy protection. Click on here, see more detail right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on install anyway. Then go ahead and verify your identity. App blocked by advanced protection. At this point here, go ahead and click on got it. And then from our download folder right here, before we can install APK, there are some certain security we need to make sure we turn off on our Android phone for a successful installation of our Shenyun app. So before that, we want to make sure I exit from my download folder right here. First thing first, go ahead and check your Android phone security settings. Proceed to settings on your Android phone. Then scroll down right here and make sure you look for security and privacy. Then scroll down right here. Scroll down right here and make sure you look for advanced protection right here. Scroll down right here and make sure this is turned off on your Google account on your Android device. Then go back right here and make sure everything here is turned on green in your Android security settings. Lastly, go ahead and make sure you exit from here and proceed to your Play Store. So in Play Store, you need to make sure you turn off Play Protect. Click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and make sure you click on Play Protect. Then go ahead and click on this setting icon and make sure you click on here to turn off Play Protect. Go ahead and turn off. Verify your identity. Then click on continue. Successfully turn off. Then we can exit from Play Store and come back to our download folder right here. Now we are ready to install Shenyun app successful on our Android phone. Click on the app after a successful download. Do you want to install this app? Click on install. App was installed successful into our Android device. Just like so, you have successfully installed the app